Russian President Vladimir Putin has said he was ready to engage in peace talks with Ukraine, but only if Moscow could get agreements that were in Russia's interest. Putin came up with a statement of St. Petersburg's International Economic Forum on Friday. In the St. Petersburg's International Economic Forum, Vladimir Putin also said all armed conflicts end with peace talks in response to a question from Sergei Karaganov, an influential Russian analyst and political scientist. Vladimir Putin says, of course, Russia needs to achieve such agreements and such conditions that will comply with its interests and will be the most reliable. Meanwhile, Ukraine claimed to have repelled a Russian military offensive in 24 hours. The country claims to have launched an attack on Russian-controlled territory. The attack in the Russian-controlled Luhansk and Kherson regions of Ukraine left 26 casualties.
নগদে ৫০০ টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ ২০ কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।